Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make choices fun and easy by having Alexa randomly choose an item from your list on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then click on the more button that you are going to find down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the see more button, click on blueprints. After that, tap on all. Scroll down till you find the what to do button, click on it, tap on make your own. And after that, as you scroll down, you should select categories such as movies. So you should provide a bunch of answers so that Alexa will pick an option from your list. Here you can find many categories such as movies, dinner. For example, if you cannot decide what to eat for dinner, you should just provide a few options. All you have to do is tapping on add an option, type it in, and Alexa will choose from this list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.